Hello and welcome to Junk Journal Inspirations. My name is Emily. It is Tag Tuesday, yay. I have a special bonus kit, is what I'm calling it. It might be called a limited edition kit in Lori's shop, but I always get her Tag of the Month kits, and I've already done that for February. But this caught my eye because it's just so Valentine's Day, right? I don't usually do a whole lot of like special crafting for Valentine's Day, but I thought this is perfect. I have to have this kit. So it is called the Hearts and Flowers Tag Kit. And I'm not sure at this point if she still has any available, but I will link to her shop in the description box below so you can go and check out all of her Tag of the Month kits that she has available. So let's do this. All right, there are so many pieces in this kit, like just so many. So there are these gorgeous heart, whoops, let me make sure I stay in frame. Heart die cuts, and I love those, and they're double-sided. So I was almost thinking of this sort of situation. So I think I'm gonna do that with those. There's some gorgeous hot pink netting with hearts in it. Hopefully you can see that. And then some light pink lace and some red. How gorgeous. And then some more paper, some with some foily hearts on it, some stripy pink and white. This gorgeous paper here. It's double-sided, but this is the side I like. This is just some red cardstock, some more scrapbook paper. Again, it's double-sided, but this is definitely the side that I'm interested in. And then this piece here. And then I'm not sure. I think either one of these could be the tag base, but I think, I'm not sure yet. We'll get to that in a second. There's sequins. Yay. I left those in the baggie because I'll make a mess. And then this is the cutest thing. I don't know how she did this. Lori, please let me know. These hearts are actually puzzles. Do you see that? They actually, like, they're puzzles. How stinking cute. So there are 3 of those, and I didn't take the tape off of the back of 2 of them because I just wanted to keep everything kind of together. But how cute is that? I am in love with that. There are so many pieces here. I feel like, you know what? We're going to make 2 tags because there's enough here to do that. So let's get started. All right. So let me try and determine how I want to split up my papers here. Let's see what we like together and how we want to do this. So I think we'll kind of do like the pinks over here, and maybe, you know, these over here, and then, you know, we'll deal with the lace and the puzzle pieces and all of that. I think I like it like this. Let's see. All right, let's start with this one. All right. So I think we definitely need the hot pink netting over here somehow. I'm not sure how yet. We'll figure it out, right? All right. I don't want to cover up. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I do. Maybe it doesn't matter. I feel like maybe that needs to go over here. This is going to be one of those videos, guys, so if you get annoyed easily, maybe maybe don't watch this one. I feel like I'm going to be sort of rambling. All right, I'm going to tear this into multiple pieces here. I feel like the torn look will be cool in this situation. And let's tear the sheet music part here. I love this. I love this so much. I don't want to tear it, but I will just a little bit, just so it blends with everything else, right? Okay. That, like that, that, like that. Okay. And let me see. Almost feel like this would go well with this one. Let's see if I can tear off just a tiny, tiny bit. So I hope you're all doing well. We have actual accumulated snow today. Yeah, I think that's the first time this year that we've actually had, you know, an accumulation. I don't like the snow, but I know a lot of people do. It's just not my thing. I don't like dealing with it. And I drove the dogs to school this morning, to daycare. We call it school. And yeah, I had to deal with, I mean, you would think that people in Ohio would get it by now, how to drive in this weather, but they don't understand. All right. I am not in frame. Okay, there we go. I like this a lot. Now, I feel like maybe something up here, but I'm not going to worry about that because I am going to cut the corners. So let's not worry about that yet. Let's go ahead and glue an ink here. Actually, that needs to go back here first. All right, I just happen to have walnut stain on my desk, so I'm going to use that today. So yeah, accumulated snow, yay! It's probably 2 inches, I don't know. The dogs love it. They think it's fabulous. I don't quite enjoy having to clean them off and dry them up when they, you know, come back in, but they are having a blast. It was kind of a good day for them to go to daycare because they can, you know, run and have fun there, and they won't be getting all wet all day, but they'll still be having fun. So that is happening. What else is going on here? Not much. Just sort of same old, I think. I think I'm getting caught up with everything that I wanted to do while I was sick. So that's good. All right, where did I have, wait, no, this goes over here. This goes here. All right. I'm sort of getting caught up. I say that, and then, you know, there's still so much that I need to do and get caught up on. But for the most part, I'm feeling like, you know, I've got things under control, finally. Yeah. My grandpa is in the hospital. He is almost 96, and he has pneumonia, and I think he's going to be fine. I'm not terribly worried about that part of it, but he's all alone, and that makes me sad. He can't have visitors. Well, he can have one visitor a day, but you know, it's sad when you've got someone who is older, and you know, he can't hear really well, so he has a hard time, you know, communicating, and usually my grandma helps him, you know, hear what's being said to him, and so I'm sure he's incredibly frustrated by that. I think his hearing aid was broken too, which that was just compounding everything. So I think my dad or my uncle, someone was going to get that fixed for him and get that to the hospital so he can, you know, hear a little bit better. It's still not perfect even with the hearing aid, but probably a little less frustrating for him. So yeah, I don't, this whole COVID thing, I'm okay with, you know, not being able to go places and do things. I don't mind, but this is now the second time that someone is affected, you know, just because they happen to be in a hospital or a nursing home. It was the same way with my grandma. And that's not cool. I don't like it at all. Oh, I think, was that supposed to go underneath there? Yeah, it was. Oh, dang it. Well, let's see. I was putting this here anyway, so it probably doesn't matter too much. We'll just tear off that edge. Anyway, so yeah, it's just that part of it I'm not okay with. Not okay with, you know, elderly people being kind of left alone, you know, when they're sick and they're already not doing well, and then they can't, you know, yeah, I don't know. He does, you know, I mean, somebody's going in to visit him every day, but normally my grandma would, you know, kind of stay at the hospital with him, and she's not allowed to do that, so. And I get it that you know, the precautions are in place for a reason. It just, yeah, I'll be quiet now. I'll stop complaining. Let's see. What else is happening? I am getting ready to start the boho journal that I was talking about way back when, in like November, I think. I'm getting ready to start that. I'm super excited about it. All right, so I want to put these hearts on here, and I want to stack them up. And I think I might even grab my dimensional sticky dots, and we'll make this 3D. How about that? That sounds fun. All right, let me grab that real quick, and I'll be right back. I wasn't sure what size, so I always add glue. I don't just trust the sticky on the dots. So I just add glue underneath them, and then on top of them as well after I peel the backing, which is always fun. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. That's a nice spot there. And then I think we'll use the smaller ones. And one more. So I think I'll split this video up since I'm doing 2 tags. So we'll do this one today, and then I'll come back and the other one I'll upload next Tuesday. Okay. This is so cute. All right. Oh, how cute is this? I am loving it. Okay, so I think, do I want to go ahead and cut my corners? Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, and then I can ink around the whole thing. So what do you all do for Valentine's Day? Do you do anything, or do you consider it just a Hallmark holiday? We sometimes will go out, sometimes we just hang inside, you know, it just depends. So I think I'm going to use this on the top here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and use my, wherever it is. Oh, there it is. My tiny attacher here. And then what we can do is maybe add, nope, I'm not gonna do that. Maybe we'll just add some sequins. Sorry, quiet there. Concentrating so hard. Gotta get those sequins right. Right? Let's do another pink one. There. That is super cute. I'm in love. I'm in love. All right, guys. I hope that that inspired you to get crafty today. Maybe do something Valentine related or anything, you know, just get crafty today. That's my hope for all of you. All right, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye.